kahit saan time, we've been together yung ibang movies, parang
Tagal
kahit
na.
saan, no, talagang grabe yung ano kay Ding Dong. Dong, okay, let's get down to, right down to business.
Yes, sir.
I know you're very busy. Lalo-lalo na, busy ka ba sa Marimar o kay Marimar? Yun lang unang
Let me explain. Ito,
okay.
either or. Never too busy for Jojo Alejandro.
Yeah.
Good answer! Good answer! Very good and very safe answer. Hindi, pero talaga, how is it playing seryo? You know, ang dami nagsasabi, unang-una, mas gwapo ka raw sa tunay na seryo, correct?
Oo naman,
Diba?
pare.
Parang,
Alam mo, isa lang ang sagot dun eh. Kaya siguro yun ang tingin nila dahil mas maganda rin naman yung Marimar natin kaysa yung sa dating Marimar.
napansin ko, ang dami mong safe answer, pare. Ano Dong, you're very busy and you've been doing so many things. What keeps you up and about? How do you do it? Dahil parang ang dami mo no? Movies, acting, directing.
Malaking break talaga sa akin ng Marimar na to. Kasi I had to sort of reinvent myself for this. So, before that kasi may mga waiting period yan. So, period for...
Waiting? Nag-waiting ka rin?
Hindi naman eh.
Bawal yan, ha?
Waiting! Kala ko waiting period. Okay.
Anyway, yun nga, marami ako na pondong oras para sa sarili ko during those 4 or 5 months.
Okay.
Para, to be healthy and to
In
think
fact,
of
you lost,
what to...
right, you lost a lot of weight, pare ko. And you look, 20 years younger.
Yeah, thanks.
How'd you do it? Did you do it like,
Well,
weights and...
Hindi kasi, I've been trying for 5 years eh. Iba't ibang formula.
Alright.
Although,
What do you mean formula? What, yung regimen? Or how
yes, meron kasi yan. Bodybuilding, gym, tapos kung anong klaseng diet,
Right,
merong
right.
all protein, merong walang kanin. Pero after 5 years
Na-perfect mo na.
Na-perfect ko na yung
So what do you do?
formula.
After 5 years, what's the formula for losing weight and looking... Kasi yung iba na nakikita ko, naglo-lose weight, and yet, medyo haggard looking.
Right.
Diba? Pero ikaw hindi, pare. Yung
Totoo yan.
energy, yung brightness nung pagbukas ng mukha nandun eh. So how do you, what is the secret?
Yeah.
Sa totoo lang?
Yeah.
Beer, pare. Kasi, kidding aside.
What?
Kidding aside, no.
Very good. Akala ko, very good
Iniba ko
looking
talaga
women,
yung,
very good looking...
intake ng pagkain. Limited only to fish and vegetables.
fish and vegetables.
Oh, and nothing else.
Ah,
so kahit
okay,
anong luto pa yan. Pero iba't ibang formula kasi, it doesn't mean that it will work for everybody.
Okay. To each his own, ha?
Yes, that's right.
Ah,
And
galing,
pero
ah.
siyempre, like at the end of the week, you have to reward yourself.
Right.
Have a bottle or two.
O beer.
Yes.
Yung beer, hindi yung very good looking women. No?
It comes with
Audience natin galit eh, maano natin. Anyway, again, people have been asking me this na kasi darating ka nga on the show. Sabi nila, si Karel daw, which is also a very good friend of ours,
Yes, that's right.
medyo sexy lately because parang nagkaroon lang daw yata siya ng, what you call this, parang na-insecure siya ng konti. Is that true? Nagkaroon kayo ng konting problema?
walang problema.
So masaya pa rin siya talaga?
Oo.
Sa bagay, kitang-kita naman eh. Karel, masaya ka ba? Masaya siya. Hindi talaga.
time no see, ah.
Oo nga eh. Hindi pala pangit mo. Badyo, wag na. Tama na. Corny na eh.
Masaya ba?
Walang problema. Masaya.
Did you see her concert
natin.
ba? She sang saan yun?
Sa concert ni Billy Crawford.
O ni Billy. Oo.
Hindi ko na
Pare, hindi ka nanood, hindi mo napanood or hindi ka talaga nanood?
Yun.
Hindi ako nanood eh.
May jump back eh.
Ano lang kami, quits. Kasi hindi rin naman siya nanood ng Cosmo Party, so okay.
Hindi ka Cosmo Party? Okay. Speaking of which, Dong, I have a picture here. Ito,
Tuloy natin.
ano lang to eh, ha? Nakita lang namin, kasi nag-google agad ako eh. Sabi
Yes,
ko, yung pinaka-latest ni Ding Dong. And I found out that you were one of those requested talaga for Men's Magazine to post for them. You know? And friends, this is the picture of Dong talaga.
Ano yan, pare?
Gusto ba na rin?
Yung mga, ano ba, pare naman? Yung mga, isa pa lang, isa pa lang. Oh, Woo! Nagsigawan yung mga babae, pero mas malakas sigawan ng mga lalaki. Pero bakit nakita mo napansin ko lang, ito there's something, a lot of people are saying medyo parang pareho daw tayo.
Yun.
Kaya napansin ko rin eh. In fact, nagkapakuha rin ako ganung picture.
Pati nga.
Oh, ito Ewan natin na parang. Anyway.
Parang kayong dalawa nga.
Oo nga eh.
Kayong dalawa nga.
Kaya parang mas may dating sa akin kasi masaya ako eh.
Pareho.